Is your Linksys Velop showing an orange light? Don't worry, follow these quick steps to get your Wi-Fi back up and running. Ensure the Velop node is plugged into power and connected to your modem. Unplug the node, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Confirm that your modem has an active internet connection. Relocate the node closer to the main router to ensure strong signal. Ensure all Ethernet and power cables are securely connected. Restart your main Velop node or the router to refresh the network. Hold down the reset button on the node for 10 seconds if the issue persists. Use the Linksys app to reconfigure the node or add it back to the network. And that's it. Your Linksys Velop should now be back to full functionality.